of the first person to try out my gadget. So this is the last generations of the Gizmo Guy Gadget. And this is what you have most likely, or you may have this one. They all work similar. The difference is that, one has 3.5mm jack. The other one's a lightning connector. So this is for after we introduced this after iPhone 7, since they removed the headphone jack. So now you have to use the lightning connectors. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is, previously we have all these plastic and box and all that junk. Okay, so this is just junk that you're going to throw away, because the only thing that matters and counts is this one, the gadget itself. So with my new batch, this is what you'll come with. Okay, this is all it will come with, just this. Okay, there's no more box, no more waste, and you'll save you a little bit of money on the shipping. Well, you save me a little bit of money on shipping, and so everybody saves, and it's good for the environment. So we're removing, since this is my own gadget and you are a friend of mine, so I'm gonna take out the garbage and just give you this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm not gonna touch it. This is brand new. So so this is what you'll look like, and I'll show you how it works on a different video. So you'll come like this in the envelope, okay? And the first trial, this is what only come with, because as I'm still working on the masses. But right now, this is all it will come with if you do decide to participate to be one of the first to try my 5th generation Gizmo Guy Gadget. Okay? Thank you.